How to find activity page on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your Temu app. Make sure you are signed in and now tap on the U option on the bottom center of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for notifications there. Tap on that. Now, scroll down until you see the option for customers activity. Go ahead and tap on the edit button beside the customer activity tab. Further, make sure the toggle button for customers activity is toggled on, and if not, then go ahead and toggle on the button for customers activity, and with this you will be able to view the shopping activity of customers. So this is how you can find activity page on Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.